Hello, nail art lovers. Welcome back to Nail Hub. Today we have an incredibly thick and sophisticated nail art design to share with you guys. Black and white nails. Get ready to elevate your nail game with this timeless and versatile look. Let's dive right in. I'm super excited to show you how to achieve this stunning black and white nails. First things first, let's make sure your nails are prepared and ready for this fabulous design. Start by shaping your nails to desired length and filling the edges for a smooth finish. Gently push back your cuticles and remove any excess skin. Apply a base coat to protect your nails and ensure long lasting manicure. Now it's time to apply the base color. Grab your favorite black nail polish and carefully paint each nail. Make sure to apply thin, even coats for a flawless finish. Allow the black polish to dry completely before moving on to the next step. To create those eye-catching white essence, we'll be using a thin brush or a nail art pen. Dip the brush into white nail polish and start creating your desired design. You can go for simple strips, geometric patterns, or even intricate floral motifs. Let your creativity shine. If you want to take your black and white nails to the next level, feel free to add some extra touches. You can place small rhinestones along the white essence for a touch of glamour. Another option is to apply a matte top coat to create a sleek and modern look. The choice is yours. And there you have it, nail art lovers, a stunning black and white nail art design that's perfect for any occasion, whether you are attending a formal event or just want to add a touch of sophistication to your everyday look. These nails are sure to turn heads. Now it's your turn. I want to see your fabulous black and white nail creations. Don't forget to share them with me by tagging Nail Hub and using the hashtag black and white nails. I can't wait to see your incredible designs. And remember, keep your nails looking fabulous by moisturizing your cuticles regularly and applying a top coat every day. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then you should do it now.